Welcome to Blessed Music Academy. Okay, so today we'll be looking at relative minor keys on the flat keys. The last time was the sharp keys. So today will be the flat keys. Relative minor keys on the flat keys. Okay, relative minor keys on the flat keys is what we are looking at today. All right, so we're going to begin with F major. F major. Now, F major is same thing as F, G, A, B flat, okay, B flat, C, D, E, and F. Okay, this is same thing as do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Now following the tone, semitone, tone, semitone. Okay, so between mi and fa is a semitone. Between ti and do is a semitone. So if you look at the keyboard we drew when we did the relative minor of the major, okay, we used this tone, semitone. So the relative minor of F major is, you can't three step backward. Okay, this is my F. One, two, three is my D minor. Okay, so this becomes D minor. So it's going to start from D. Okay, so it will start from D, E, F, G, A, B, then that is B flat, B, C, and D. Okay, so this is the same thing as la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. Okay, which means between mi and fa is a semitone, ti and do is a semitone. So the difference between a major key and a minor key is the position of their semitone. Okay, in a major key their semitone is between the third and fourth, seventh and eighth. Okay, in a minor key the semitone appear between second and third, okay, then fifth and sixth, second and third, fifth and sixth. Okay, still following the circle of fifth, the next one will be B flat major. Okay, so you are counting backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the next one will be B flat major. Let me clean my board so that, okay, the next one will be B flat major. B flat major. Okay, so this is same thing as B flat, okay, C, D, E, okay, F, G, and A. B flat, E is flattened. Okay, this is something as do, re, G, and A, then B flat. Let me complete it, sorry. Okay, this is something as do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So between mi and fa, that is why we have this E flat here. okay, between mi and fa. But if you play between D and E, it is a tone. But between D and E flat is a semitone. So we have our semitone. So our relative minor, you just count 3 steps. 1, 2, 3 becomes what? G minor. Our relative minor of B flat is G minor, which is G minor. Okay, so this is something as G, A, B flat, C, D, E flat, G, A, and B flat. Sorry, extended it. Okay, to G is supposed to be La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So. We have G, A, B, C, D, E, sorry, F, and G. Okay, so this is something as La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So, La. Okay, that is it. Following the circle of fifth again, so you count backward. Our B flat is this, so you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next key to construct is E flat major. E flat major. Can we still do that? And then you do the rest by yourself. So the next key to construct is E flat major. E flat major. Okay, so our E flat major will be E flat, F, G, A, B, our B is already flattened, C, D, E, flat. So this is something as Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So, La, Ti, Do. Okay, now you know between Mi and Fa is a semitone. So between G and A is a tone. So you have to flatten your A. That is how we have our flat here. Okay, you flatten your A. Between D and E is a tone, but because we needed a semitone, we have to flatten the E. Okay, do you understand it now? So you can just write out the name and look at Mi and Fa, you must flatten. Ti and Do, you must flatten to become a semitone. All right. So the relative minor of E flat major, you just count backward. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you count 1, 2. Do, di, that becomes what? C minor. It becomes C minor. Okay, it becomes C minor. So C minor will now be C, D, okay, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, and C. Okay, that is it. So you have La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So, La. Okay, so the next key to construct in this is just count your from fifth backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we constructed E flat major. E flat major. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next one to construct is A flat major. Okay, so do that by yourself. A flat major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A flat major. In A flat major, you have to flatten your E, your A, your B, and then look for the next key to flatten by yourself, and then look for the minor. All right, that is your own assignment. If you do it, you can just put it on the comment section. Which key is supposed to be flattened? Which key is supposed to be flattened on A flat? We have E already flattened, we have A flattened, we have B flattened, we have E flattened. So which other key is supposed to be flattened again? All right, and then you give us the relative minor. All right, give us the relative minor. Okay, our E is flattened, our B is flattened, our A is flattened. So give us the relative minor and the next key that's supposed to be flattened. Okay, so please, when you see this video, help me share and comment. Help me share and comment. Those watching in YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you.